Hi vlog! Welcome to O Friends Vlog. And for today's video, I'm sure nakita nyo naman na sa baba na isusurprise ko ang aking jowa balls, ang aking turong. So ngayon, wala akong pasok at naisipan ko na maghanap-hanap ng cake dito sa area namin. So ginamit ko ang aking koneksyon. Shout out to Arya. He is from Indonesia, Bali, Indonesia, at tinulungan niya akong makahanap kahit slice lang ng cake. Thank you so much. Mahal girl, ang mahal ng cake dito. So sabi ko, may kakilala naman ako sa restaurant dito. So ayun, pinuntahan ko siya kanina at kinuha ko yung slice ng cake. At mamayang 12 midnight, isusurprise ko si Jowa para naman makapag-glow siya ng candle. So, ayun, eto na lang yung slide kung papaano ko siya na-surprise kanina. So, sakto nasa toilet siya ngayon, nagsha-shower. So, ipiprepare ko na yung slice ng cake. Andito na siya.
Oh, don't open your eyes. Okay.
Okay, open.
Open your eyes.
So what you will say about the food?
The food is really tasty.
Your face, then my face.
I'm round face because we have shrimp, we have sharks, we have beef tongue, we have we have
Spicy soup.
and then the egg fish egg sauce. The top one is fish soup. Fish soup. Definitely the fish soup. Everything is good.
Babalik, we will come
110 per 100.
soon. We will come
5 star.
back if we have money.
5 star from me.
Oh, 5 star. Okay.
Bye.
Birthday boy. Birthday boy. So, dito ko na tatapusin itong video kasi
Hello.
wala na, tatapusin ko lang.